brown sugar. Come on. I put it into
Nice. Regular sugar.
Regular.
Good job.
That's sugar.
Regular sugar, brown sugar, oats.
Oat. Come here.
And salt.
I can do it.
And
Butter. I'm gonna take a whole spoonful.
Whoops, I got it. Now I gotta mix it together and then I'll have you help me in a minute, okay? I'm gonna switch spots with you.
Mix like this. Dun, dun, dun. And then crush it.
How does it look on camera?
Looks like they're crushing. Looks like they're stirring it.
You know what, I probably have to use my hands, which means they're gonna be dirty.
I want to do it.
Here,
Not you.
I'll
You
do it a little bit and then you can do it after I move it.
Oh,
to the kitchen,
yes. Yep, you have to use the hands.
Okay? Yep, you gotta make it crumbly.
No, yeah. And then crush more. Until I do this. You can sit here so I
You wanna grab the tin bowl?
Oh, you're gonna do. Oh, that's very not hard. That's not hard.
It's not hard.
Nope. Are you gonna do it to the other apple? Yep, you're doing right. Alrighty, look. Looks like you were doing great. Oh, wow, it's getting so hard. Are you gonna do the knife to the apple? I'm gonna get you. Oh. You cut it in half. The apple fell down. Look at me.
Wow,
me,
your
Mom.
hair's getting long.
Yeah, it's long to my back.
Must have been eating your vegetables, huh?
I like bean burritos. I'm gonna watch you do the lemons.
It's too bright.
Too bright?
Sun.
Oh.
I gotta make it darker on the camera.
It's too bright. Blinding my eyes. Maybe you need to hold it, like I have my toys, my Barbies like this, and you should
Oh, you
hold
do?
it like a little bit like this, so you should do that.
Okay, so that we don't get the seeds in it.
Look at that! Isn't that so cool? Ooh, that's good.
Alright, let's see what the next direction says.
So
Hold on, let me check.
I taste
Now it says, you wanna put the brown sugar in? Here,
Yeah.
and pour it in.
Come
But careful. Hold the bowl so it doesn't fall. Yep. You got it?
Nutmeg. I want to do that.
Yep, good job. Got it? Okay.
Back to east to west goes. Hey, that's JoJo's CY song.
Now it is. You
Yeah.
like her, don't you?
Yeah, so much. Everybody to the east to the west goes. And show out with it.
Alright, here we go.
Look at that.
It's on top.
Now I'm gonna pour this on top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's recording.
It is. That's good. You want it to record. for it, right?